Hey home cooks, if you're searching for simple, crowd-pleasing sides and salads to elevate your next meal, then look no further. We're diving into the world of delicious accompaniments that will steal the show. For your next meal, you're in the right place. Whether it's a casual weeknight dinner or a weekend barbecue, having the perfect side dish can make all the difference. Today, I'm bringing you 4 summer stunners, each designed to be a vibrant addition to your table, that are fresh, flavorful, and super easy to make. These recipes are all about maximizing taste with minimal effort, so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your company. Let's jump right in and get started on these fantastic recipes. First up, Mexican street corn, a true crowd pleaser that's bursting with flavor. Also known as elote. This iconic street food is a symphony of textures and tastes. This one's a classic for a reason. It's simple, satisfying, and utterly addictive. Grab some corn on the cob, the fresher the better for the best flavor, and toss it on a hot grill. Make sure to rotate the corn occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent burning. You want those kernels a little charred, those beautiful grill marks are key. It adds so much flavor. The slight bitterness of the char perfectly complements the sweetness of the corn. Once it's cooked and slightly cooled, spread a generous layer of mayo right on the hot corn. This helps all the other toppings adhere and adds a creamy richness. Sprinkle on crumbled cotija cheese, a salty, crumbly Mexican cheese that's essential for authentic elote. A dash of chili powder for a little kick and warmth, and finish it all off with a big squeeze of lime. The acidity of the lime cuts through the richness of the mayo and cheese, balancing the flavors perfectly. The result? A flavor explosion in every bite. Smoky, creamy, tangy, and slightly spicy. Basically summer on a stick. It's the perfect side for any barbecue or summer gathering. Next, let's talk about a salad that looks as good as it tastes. A feast for the eyes and the palate. Grilled peach and burrata salad. This salad is the epitome of summer elegance. Slice your peaches in half, removing the pit, and preparing them for the grill. And grill them until you see those beautiful marks. The grill not only adds visual appeal, but also enhances the flavor of the peaches. That caramelizes the sugars, creating a delicious, slightly sticky surface, and brings out their sweetness. Grilling intensifies the natural sweetness of the peaches, making them even more irresistible. Toss the grilled peaches over a bed of peppery arugula. The slight bitterness of the arugula provides a wonderful contrast to the sweetness of the peaches. Tear open a ball of creamy burrata cheese, releasing its luscious milky interior. And add those silky ribbons right on top. The creamy burrata melts in your mouth, adding a luxurious texture to the salad. Add some thin slices of salty prosciutto for a savory element that complements the sweetness of the peaches and the creaminess of the burrata. Then drizzle everything with balsamic glaze. The balsamic glaze adds a touch of acidity and sweetness, tying all the flavors together. Every bite is sweet, salty, creamy, and fresh, a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. It's the ultimate summer salad, perfect as a light lunch or a sophisticated side dish. For something heartier, a side that can stand alone as a satisfying dish, I love my smoky potato salad. This isn't your average potato salad, it's packed with smoky flavor and delicious textures. Start with baby potatoes. Their small size and delicate skin make them perfect for this salad. Boil them until they're fork tender, ensuring they're cooked through but still hold their shape, or grill them if you want even more flavor. Grilling the potatoes adds a wonderful smoky char that elevates the entire salad. Let them cool just a bit so you can handle them comfortably. Then slice them in half. This allows the dressing to coat the potatoes evenly. In a bowl, mix your potatoes with mayo, the base of the creamy dressing. A big pinch of smoked paprika, the secret ingredient that gives this salad its signature smoky flavor. Some chopped scallions, adding a fresh mild onion flavor. And of course, crispy bacon, because everything's better with bacon. The smoked paprika gives it that barbecue flavor, making it the perfect accompaniment to grilled meats, while the bacon adds crunch and richness. The combination of smoky, creamy, and crunchy textures is simply irresistible. This potato salad is always the first to disappear at cookouts. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser that everyone will love. And finally, the most refreshing combo you can imagine. A light and vibrant salad that's perfect for a hot summer day. Watermelon feta mint salad. This salad is a burst of summer flavors in every bite. Cube up some juicy watermelon, making sure to remove any seeds, and toss it with crumbled feta cheese, The salty tang of the feta perfectly complements the sweetness of the watermelon, and plenty of fresh mint leaves. The mint adds a refreshing coolness that enhances the overall flavor profile. Drizzle over a little olive oil, adding a subtle richness and helping the flavors meld together, and a big squeeze of lime juice. The lime juice adds a bright acidity that balances the sweetness and saltiness of the other ingredients. Give it all a gentle mix, being careful not to crush the watermelon, and chill for at least half an hour before serving, allowing the flavors to meld and the salad to become even more refreshing. Trust me, it's worth the wait. The chilling time allows the flavors to fully develop and create a truly harmonious salad. It's sweet, salty, bright and cooling. The perfect combination for a hot summer day. Perfect for a hot day. This salad is incredibly hydrating and refreshing, making it ideal for beating the summer heat. So there you have it, a collection of sides and salads to brighten up any meal. 4 sides and salads that are easy enough for any home cook. Even beginners can master these recipes with ease, but impressive enough for any occasion. These dishes are sure to impress your guests with their vibrant flavors and beautiful presentation. Whether you're grilling out, hosting friends, or simply looking to add some excitement to your weeknight meals, or just making dinner a little more exciting, these recipes are versatile enough to fit any occasion. These dishes have you covered. From smoky and savory to sweet and refreshing, there's something for everyone to enjoy. If you try any of these, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Your feedback helps me create more recipes you'll love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. For more simple, delicious recipes, stay tuned for more cooking inspiration and easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy cooking! I hope you enjoy these recipes as much as I do.